we don't go down the streets to win the love of our fans will stay away. Usually, it's very normal for everybody to say, oh, GFA, yes, oh boy, it's your time to do some work. We are far away from our fans. We need to be pragmatic. We need to be scientific. And we need to go back to the basics on how to win the 12th man back to our football. And this is the challenge I throw to each one of us. We love our football. We want more money into football. But we can't be sleeping. We can't. There's one important issue that we need time to speak about.
Atiano ya command helping partner promo die timere tuja jezene fancy ya emma untimi ntra baby nkase we na efifu adwuma na mom teams no era wo so mo pagya o madinim na na mo kwan a o mbefa so o mbetwe supporters no ama o mababa be o si mre bi atwam no o de 11 ne ba begina mo so ofia na no pre ne so ba be sa de na twam ene no wo se wo na ahwe na o yo modimonim na se obekọ mo nchen kra ne o mo didi nkomo adodododo mo kra na o mababa be support ya na ebo ama ne makoye pa etimi de mo na after no King Faisal paying per friend Alhaji Abdul Karim Grusa kokokudin nkomo akra na de di kan no o kansem kakra zene e finish share ne de omo de awram no siska no kra we frema oni de gidi ze kakra kra o medjuma no omo ye no eya ne se beboa na ne ma de da mo komo sei erodi kan edie
eyewi na class no ye sofa we no nkutire nko ana be ye ho kana me ka chiram ne papa ko more than 20 years since 95 up to this date. Anka any football anka me big billionaire in this country dollars. Inti GFA we no maya de pa edamwase. Munfe clubs na yenye flexible. Kakra say and they say $25,000 you know. Eyo we nyo ye bi ache. Ese se mumma yenye mo na se ye we na class no ye sofa we no nkutire nko ana be ye ho
tiano ye koma ani opipana ko kokodino wa ye de after no san kam se ka credit for the first division after second division no so komo no se no pomode etimiere tuja
first division.
Alright, yeah, na ya pomotene no ya kona ya kwa kuti nkoma eni otimiere tuja ne sere won sensem no esi eti sto yera sutima congress no na didi de on koma na abo na ne ma daye pa etimi area ma meza yemra mu kakra mesen nkoma odo na etimi akoso na very very interesting.
Yes,
we said ni mesi kwa so last time Bishop Rezi concern be on the project na nkomo ye no nkomo consider mia baby a enka list e ko ho ebeboa eba ko baby ti se bonogne ahafo a omuzi omutimi ya na omu stadium se park na omo bo onse bibiri.
Yes, of course.
The least project BC Roy ebeboa oba Ashanti region ananki nya bi de kan ebeboa ba bibia no aye pram minim se obisi din komana fa na afema komo maka.
Yes, Abu Dhabi, first of all, Alaji Grusa me chana we na me say issue no odemu a wakasa nko ene usunko issue no so sa so pie so a usunko na Alaji ejina ho kasa about $25,000 or kasa mu hu bia che na scan ye ne ade amanfo nsusom no Alaji we de wadawroma adabraka we de one wow clubs let me say issue na wodamu no bi no and let me say wo keka won sem bi e wo so otimi keka but $25,000 Abu Dhabi clubs no if you are closer to them na omu day-to-day budget omu de call club omu de call away games even playing home games wow obu say yes there's a lot of pressure on them especially with Tima e was a winning bonuses no mu free bet 300 cedis ko ne 400 cedis ko if Kumasi Asante Kotoko me asem ka if Kotoko is even paying 500 Ghana cedis as home win bonus na otua from 700 or 800 Ghana cedis as away win bonus Abu Dhabi at the end of the day young kind players do more team the more beka team match day squad them was 18 or multiply 5 by 18 crazy say and second a technical team no more change so as my day aba if the team is going to go on better full la na meboa Omukotofu also so omu sometimes they'll have to come somewhere before and game to come back ball. And all of these things, no factor uma. This $25,000 it is a match day one. Club will be expensive so they kwako ball. No, they akusia can no they abana baby draw. And all of these things will need to be looked at. Scan it dear. Alaji e form even Kifesa Krenya Brosa and Kebi and Kamohobertomo. Kifesa nya Brosa Kamohoberto because last year Abraham Mototo prices Mukrampo or NSA. There were complaints. We saw how much Omo Madrid some charge for the likes of Asqua Deportivo Mumbai Subaba Sports Stadium. And Omo complaining here, scan you if scan on ma beto because Kifesa Bogema, how many spectators never? Gate proceeds. If I told some of the amount of money I can face at Timian at the gate, I walk around for a Premier League club. But to be game, you're not even 200 cities crowd. It's a club, no deal, no do coach winning bonus. Sada no club almost 1-0. They are not coach $25,000 is in yes Kabia. Now, no, they make what see as so say. Katokyoku Kase or Kase me say. A club's no responsibility say what's so multi promoting my league na man for be. Omunko mo supporters one your monko tena sim kodin komo na man from stadium me game no. But abu this same Ketokyoku mu ni omon panyufo na kwaje bet power sponsor. Omuji no mo so matiska no 1 million ne kakra e de ato nchen say. Omo de kwa ko promotions and then for the league's advertisement no mo koyama league no so mo koyama league no. Then you come back, turn around and comment. Minimum say advice there ye, a footwo there ye. But footwo be and one may change kakra shon. Na bu dia bi wo kan someone come support some kwa ananka says kana wo de kwa promotion and ruwe no. O chegu so de ma omo nanka ka so mfam nya o ma sede no mo ma for master do man kemwa. And also nya form of promotion ni bi. Any kind of motivation a betima motivate even the clubs to make sure so betima man for stadium obey games. What ye no ato nchen. Ana yesa ba be di nkoma asa ka che clubs ni o ma ma famu de ba yeso ye ni tete ye had the $1 million the mo de be ye ni tete we are watching. Some say anyam adwuma de enti na o say mo ti say scan de to. That is what gets an okabi foforo. Osi enye de FN adwuma. Enti na wasati scan de akoto nchen say wo de promotions for the league. If it is not your job. And the chairman ko for your adwuma. So clubs na mo so mo ko your adwuma. So give it to them, let them go do their work.
O they bia we no mate ato mo de.
Na mo for mo no man to aso no man ko. And no mo ko fia. You see some of these things the biggest problem Ghana football has had with their leaders mistrust. No man kiti be say na man for sheda nya gidie. And we are feeling me say ba developing Ghanaian football. And at a certain stage you might have good plans, ubetimi o good initiatives. Ebia no man na opese ofa so ma Ghana football timi tumpon. But how you communicate it, any the level of understanding na obetifi obeti ase no. Bibi o. Ojina wa wokeka wunsemi me amete metimi ate ase akohunu so ebia ya football no de ma class no so mo so mo na man from stadium me dey emehwe game but mo ankasa discard so beboa bi apushi ama wo se nipa wo se stadium na yeden aba. But when it becomes so clear say baby awoti ase wo sa so me ehunu say it is not the responsibility of the FA, which means ade your responsibility na hunya so beti wuska to baby so de kwakoye ho adwuma former the any responsibility no kwaye ho adwuma so that say nipa ne be accountable to adekodie na wo de ahye ne nsa say onkodi hu dwuma no. But say ano ne dane ene ye ka sei ochene ye ka sei we kodi a we kwesa na eya akoye bibia ho ket yesra mo madaroma clubs no so amu nkasem kakra na na kasa na sa na mo de bi sa asem musuro obi antimi nka asem no asem o kan watwem anim aguma ase waguma wie mo e club leaders a waguma wie ba sika no ateto nchen
na de ntipa na
wo wani makwaje
agome ade nti na Ghana matches na ebo supporters na bebe
Abu, there is something we need to do as a country. Thorough research. We have to go deep into the root. Certainly was scientific word. Baby I yet betimi the yadwe bu metima betena beka se tete no na bia we to star player ba stadium meeting na man for puba stadium behwe obi beka jo sana we wo area ha say na na the players were hunting no mobile no mo di na chi no mo ni na be dey abe ye betimi amount factors upon factors. But as to the vivid point the enti amount for master stadium na budi abi and they say etena no na say ket betimi kwabo aka say 11 amount for stadium because obetini fie no so ya ba fe na oba stadium oba miamia ne phone so star 77 den obowia me wan so ke bia nkatete na oba gate a o ya no atene ticket ama no de room
so he take
you betimi this Abu you betimi the factors be bregu ho. But as on mine a dear pan ya to make sure you betimi thorough research into what is happening in Tiaman Fonko Stadium. Dear na problem no.
I mean, when an enco
Ye ntimi pinpoint ade ba ko se
na teams no. Amundi ya na
Abu
say.
Okay, Kumasa Sante Kotoko coronation game of Baba Sports Stadium. Him fan no manko.
Amo call him.
Abu, omo call the traditional media koyo omojuma.
Okay, na him be.
On social media omo yo omojuma.
Social media.
Yes.
Na on social media na
Abu, asama me kate.
Me mate the okana say. But social media na times no nko as e run ade why me say ye no ne ho. And then na me ne apostle di go yezo ne kapre. They make am what ya say. Obi a be bia papa bi ono no wo market opekro bia ko ade are ko to tito no ko ye de ho.
Itina make say omo call traditional media. Traditional media no mbeti. Ano mo call social media. Ano mo wie no mo sa call various joint. E di asa o kai some by EV magazine ha.
Yeah.
Omo ba so magazine ha. Omo the cars e fluti chichini call various markets be bebo am for a aba at least I'm not saying it is 100% effort but there was an effort.
Say no me
Effort no was eno kra hwe nipa do e buy.
Oba say na
Hwe nipa do e buy. That is not the expected. Edru maybe they had to open free gate. Edru maybe no so mu be a free gate. One yansa so hwa de say Argentina se ebo local match a amanfo person beba but say e be a house of folk na kotoko. Bo Confederations Cup and I say or bo Champions League stadium timi bomber.
And I'm a Ghana Nigeria near Crane mass.
You see this why is it that Ghana you bet me feel baba sports stadium I Ghana Nigeria game you bet feel it the following week Kotoko will game honum a big game but na Kotoko ntimi am feel it. These are things we need to do thorough research into. Yen na me see you bet me boy timu aka say we say obia won you bet me fa nipa 5 dem aba begiro obia be my vivid point as to the reason why stadium mama but the main point will bet me dey say kire say ade wey na se ye push ni ase asort na se asovia no ma bet me akoye di amama fa stadium aba behwe game it is a sickness.
All last season me
it is a sickness.
Kotoko ano oji league no obobo no ufia ekofo nkohwe ba hasa na ihuze league no ho ba na pija na tekofo omo bo match akofu.
And another thing so abehu one so yes say house of folk bobo waka sports stadium mama fo nkohwe but my house of folk entu kwan ko let's not mane ko karela mane ko baby people be there
has alone.
Yeah,
and you're open a league Ghana.
Yeah, Bishop.
Adriana.
Yeah.
Your boba near stadium 70 to 90% until the fans in Tokwa. When they cited certain people within the club for betting. Until from after the Kotoko game. And in Senseme, sorry, that was in January. No be a stadium. Yeah, Pamucho, Kojogo supporters chairman. Osioma. Achino. No money management air contoka. That's a different case. Akomenya no na ko bibiani.
Yeah.
I didn't know say I can't attend as a semi bibiani count. Because of what? Give me reason why. And you know I mean here become Chelsea and Ashanti go Christmas no.
Yeah.
Didn't know say they count. No. People have problems. But the Kotoko has thing infant baby. It's a different case altogether.
Baby any against Kotoko ehui. Baby any against House of Folk ehui. And you baby any against Team Biseki face.
Their biggest attendance this season was against Mediama.
Mebao.
Oh, look, you see, some person can say
we can give.
I'm not giving.
We can give 1,001 reasons as to why people are not coming.
No.
But the thing I was say has ultimate home game be nani pama. There needs to be a level of consistency in people coming to the stadium.
See, hey, a geographic specific.
Yeah.
Saubo, Kwa United, any 11 wonders, Kwa during Easter. It is the wrong assessment because Ebema me cite Mediama any Gold Stars because how much I'm born the 6 match weekend no.
Yeah.
No, you get the point. BBN case is different because at the Fufrobia no a whole don't was through. This is their first time in the Premier League. Naturally people would come. It's a Samatex.
I think call for very matches.
And not to be a stadium.
And call for very matches.
Yeah, they radio to home and 1 week. To me, no. We said, say, Michelle Kotoko supporters leadership. I'm a buyer David or
Obao.
But Kotoko has. Yeah, but Kumasi, the stadium was not even half full. You see, let's not make it like that.
Your issue now, a DM pa.
And I make I say, to me, in fact, Ananta. Look, Obia club here on the problem. So you need to understand the club, the issue from the. Don't box other clubs and Kotokone us together. Don't box us. Near Kosovo, man, a GDA. And then supporters leadership, they say, the bank did you want them.
That also more normal, Sam.
And you know, I didn't know how no call for a house, no Kotoko.
Dabi.
No. Look, it remember if you don't have boa, Nipa was to do 300.
Yeah.
Because on board until also GDA no. Esaiba. Amba be bien wa obeya on better say. But so the Kotokone has at to sa level now. It becomes a problem because Ghana match kesiye pa ewo ha no. Kotokone has. Stadium kesiye pa stadium e fa nipa dodo baba yara stadium. Ho ne ball sa ball na. Kotokon panyum fo obi akọ ya announcement. Sa match no nko anu nke ma stadium e ma Kotokone has nko anu. Yenya half of the stadium half. Yenya half. Me no ya dwen se sika no mate no. O mate no kwa. O mo mfa promote hwe. O mo mfa nye hwi. Nemu. E den na class na nkasa ndada no sika no ba efi no na beko. 5% bi na beko mo.
Yeah.
But a larger amount class no. Nti hwe wasetrem. Na bi sa won say hin na autosin. The ntia Parkwesi called demand the first meeting on the supporters in the air. You shall know me no shall. As I'm catching say, look, this is the problem. GD and Hobium. If you don't win those people, ma into club beyond Nase. Shawa do an introspection. Nebi sound said dinti and I'm a fans make a same omonkra omunfi me. Nemo moka say a blanket. And I say Ghana for Anna or more access to TV. Look. Mamin can't say much. Ball now no TV sunya no na e stadium.
Oh, Dabi.
So wo fear. Has babe e map no do masa ne ba we de hu. Look. Football is entertainment now. A package o. Sanya obi otonyom na ade ne beba. E o se BBC o park ne so a metifi e betwe me say meba. It's a whole package.
Babu me kakra on the old canon yemfa hearts and fa kotoko but enhwe ayi baby bi ti se bono and a half hono about to mean so anything you ombo bi ara mo park no they say aduana say nya za bufu na that then mo de no sembe ba bibia but still
I've been involved in a lot of supporters work.
Yeah.
Okay? Near attacking a major problem affecting the clubs. The connection, any relationship, any respect for the club. One who knows, forget it. Mom who said, Tim Yomudia, for a bony nidia mom. Mamunya Gidiomo, club no any or Makumasu. Let them be involved in a lot of things, sometimes for shaggy reasons. They would die for you. You were here Saturday. The BBC, you know, okay.
Cause then support no be biobe kubia omudichi.
Because I involve you on Bibia.
Yeah.
Omu sika or say omu bro bremiboa.
And the home, you know,
on the catrum omoko jiskana na onwane koy.
Omwane koy.
When Dr. Keke Sapon by the first season, no I had issues with supporters and attendance. I remember there was a meeting, myself, Joe, Striker, Kwambano Akumbenitia, on the supporters team. The Mafi, the doc, Ankasa to me 29, no call that regions to meet supporters. I don't know. Club behind the so let me start with Zanigotoko. Kotoko supporters there, one. Omo, Saudi boni ni dear mom. And you are the CEO of the club. You must endure yourself to them. Most often, try so by getting closer to the supporter. Have a personal relation with the supporters. It's not moving to a radio station 1 or 2. No. MMS are not organizing rallies. Radio, no. Now a team of media people, a team, they work every time for the club. And you're one off because there's a football game.
Yeah.
No. But for by, me see, could you not tell you the regional circus council chairman at that time? They cover over 40 circles Washington region. The CEO himself was leading.
And now dear Nimunamo baby.
That is the way they support. That is how the supporters look at things. Says CEO na kasa tuna na monob shesha when they wedding come ma the way a club no can you win them to your side. The reason why Harris are called, I'm friend, not only the millionaire, they call him the fans chairman. House of Folk, I like it here, chapter 9, chapter O. Omutimi at take a decision. House of now must see there be decision with them. Sebi, you just say Harris are called Sebi no any answer. They listen to these 2 chapters. I'm form decision be you know what they are doing. Omo ti assess club no ye ni mu nyina na take a decision. Omo kaze ye see you dem na me dem nti. No.
Omo tie supporters no.
They go to them. I've seen Harry go to a lot of chapters himself. Move all the time engaging the or take this recruitment crowd. Dombote. Dombote agency yes. Dombote was chapter O. And nothing na okay. Omo chapter O sanctions omo koto a Harry koto uti enyo no. Chapter O bonyo. Oh Dombote if we see you go die you. Yeah. Chapter O composed that song for Dombote.
Oh, okay.
Good. Supporters. Who now Tibrekum? Time Mr. Chairman. No. Who the relationship between Brekum for the Chelsea?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Well, the relationship and now Mr. Chairman build here with the Brekum community.
Yeah.
Or Mamu who said team near anything. Omudia.
Yeah.
Which was even affecting Brekum Arsenal.
Yeah.
No more larger Zongo community support you. No Nimnia Mr. Chairman here black community no because of Chelsea. Brekum Chelsea Bobola. Don't pack them.
Oh, but a bomber.
Thank you very much.
Carmoni Rangers Africa, they do baby now just I want to
even almost ball local matches scrap one.
Not call for Korepa.
Good. Because the community feels part of it. Alaji Akumo the late. Oma the Zongo boys also decided say or we need the community or not belonging to. Oma mom come from the Nankasi for no from say.
Yeah, Nankasi.
Oma good. Brekum Arsenal bomb matcher. Let us say. Me Omo Boko Tokazo but when they are playing other clubs. Big.
Yeah, bomber.
So there are peculiar situations from club to club. But the most important one is my supporters no who say club no. Omo chef and kese. Involve them. Sometimes when decision person tell me ko fa komia. Then so beka akomia na tapo komi pe we right back we na we. You involve the supporter leaders. Some for my dream bra. Na otumo. Tariq Jibril, the late Kanewu. Akufa Tariq Jibril, me ba. Oko ba Haas and Sayno. Someone Sayno.
Yes, I know. Now you bought tournament to be say between Haas chapters no. Now has a battle Washington region. Inti Kanewu regional chairman and I am if anything Malik Marduna. You know the organization in your bono tapas tapo pankrono ti hona ye ba sani ho se o mai player back ti no mai sa Tariq akora next akora ne midfielder.
Oh, okay.
I'm telling you ti no mo share match na se akora control ball first time chale so be it Mr. Fancy na ba nyina mo fa no ko sa mere coach ayi na no former kotoko coach former kotoko player former kotoko coach Karim Zito mo fa no ko because akora dan ball no o boy no o control midfield no check pass and no ano no mo de ko kan no ano no
so sana na the move in it here.
I sana move in it.
Anti supporters they more pena.
Supporters obebo ma chapters no.
Oh, okay.
Na has high chapters na aform team ne has ye ni a ye ho boy has main team no. E na ye be pick akora ne free side odi no ko e. The akora no ball of bonus ada no. Na ne Shining Star the chance PA.
And supporters make players. Abanga Me na me as a press conference. Why na kofa ebe fa no every year supporter.
Abanga.
Frenchman. Yet. Ya men sa ni chum no body fufu. Ti omo ja operation ho.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Therefore, her supporters, they made sure that a coin be a swamp before Banga. They had him. Supporters there, look. Men near club and feel that oh baby, almost that baby. Immediately a one ma uni a year unamo to be and chrese team no yomudia na oda man now be involved you even decision making sometimes. It doesn't spoil anything if you let support them in terms of recruitment. Let them almost over 2 players. What you do is you try to win them to your side. Momo feel it very important and relevant in the scheme of things. Decisions, baby, you have to. I'm saying I mentioned her before. Decisions, how is that called? Or the chapter on your mark. Near has person or my journey saying you involve them. Immediately obi feel ownership of BBBiano or you're committed to it.
Oh, okay.
O distant club. Uni mnienti ase asani kotoko. Uze yase yamfanswa. Yeah. Obia eboa ema. Yeah. Kesia.
Abusia kesia dino obia hu mi.
That is the point.
Abusia na ko eni.
And I'm saying now, see you after see you. Has of folk away. Ni gbese manje. Goes to the gang communities. Sometimes Saturdays, no your mood ding komo. Has of folk communities. Especially on only gamma area from Swalaba, Rudman Probion, has of folk prone area to Choco. Omo ye Pujimo outdooring. Accra is a very popular thing there. Oba now and yet Pujimo is a yeah. You see the CEO there talking to the communities. Yeah. About house of folk, only has by Afi Nekenibi. They seize those moments. So one ma community known as fans no anye part of the Tiba. Forget it. Oh na waba and now go reduce back there be club there should be a conscious
match I do no
and then look when supporters are passionate about a club and for economic situation as I go support the as support the omo obe see 50 pesos like offshore ball a day omo a passion but uye the year now involve you omo some come but oh yeah, say oh no you baby or baby no baby. Forget about it.
And they don't feel.
And see, you must respect omo contribution, even if it's 1 penny, because you need that penny from them. Sabi omo no mo musika akrokro ebuo ni die kese and making them part of it. Tell me more examples we bring out because all those examples were successful based on the Americano. Yeah, friend. The Brown region, almost pep football too much.
Yeah.
All you need is respect the supporters, involve them. Vena echo the Brown region for the first time because activation ma Trillium, Bofakwa any B United.
Yeah.
Back a because it was an event, we organized like an event. Attack and BB. Look, for instance. Why would you say Legon City by? I thought that they didn't plan some of the things very well. They went too high. There's no need to bring Shatawale. There are a lot of young musicians that almost here in your bad, sir. But I almost said, do we have no more tenants was wrong?
Yeah.
And then no generation also sir. Interest sir.
Yes, the uncle no son of person share no money.
Anti
woman and not the compare.
Anti
and maybe a trim now.
Anti you need to understand, and that generation, most of the secondary school boy university entertainment, and you cannot do away with entertainment when it comes to sports, especially football. I'm gonna perform more Super Bowl anytime I have Super Bowl.
Yeah.
So anytime England, I'm be in football. How do I say? Yeah, di Colano Cup Stadium at the tender. You are Colano be a shell Liverpool and a national Colabia and mammy, no, Miss no soon, mama. Yeah, move from day one. Yes, our culture and then here. Maybe we might start depending on who the club officer in the CEO and every president, whatever. And so it's about time Maybe a local artist be you know, a lot of every local community of Ghana, some our artists back home be free on an arrangement. Because Atawa Kasi your case been Kwame Ujibeka say he would like to play for Kotoko for free. So there are a lot of people who are connected to tribe B. Tribe no maybe I find as a brong of your star. She want to help. He want to help a musician. All those arrangements can be made. You know, there, all Kotoko needed to do was to talk to him. Or no one so volunteers at Kotoko supporter.
Yeah.
And to bet to mama away for free. Stone Boy also volunteered for us to folk like that. So those are arrangements. What do I say? Can also be made in order to look at how best. Sometimes even live band. I mention bro, where Pat Thomas. Oh, Barbara Sporting. Pat Thomas have performing. So and then so near my sister, so you bet me the near my back kakra where I can was we are aggressively making sure that the supporters are key focal point in your more decision making be beyond ansana. You do we more kakra can send a bear and then my phone almost on my bar. We bet me ama on my bar and then a bastard is something that is very good. I did shall see a video represented time. I can't so Kivis a crab baby when a man about Mutianica, but how consistent was it? Naturally, baby, a ma our piano, you have a lot of young guys.
Yeah.
I come here, for instance, on Pepper Kokra. No, it's natural. I mean, I'm using him just as an example. But you always go to the stadium because you're Moba. And they encourage him over a period of time. I bet a lot of young girls are developing interest in watching the game. Near you say, Beko Park, no, Nantokwe BNC, police form by 2 tear gas, any those needless disruptions, Ember. Apart from that, I think that when we start from this stage over a period of time, we'll be able to get it. Emmanuel, the end look, a very key. One of the reasons why I made me call him, Doma Miko Kovama, but one of the reasons is because of the beautiful girls. I'm being sincere. Yes. Doma. And you mean a lot of guys. Because all get to the outside now, Banya, say, wow, when you born your muscle from the outside, look, until any time, I'm always eager. Say me call because at least me banner me who me niswa there come. What do I say? Fair. How do I say?
About so much minutes on chair to Alaj.
Papa.
Alaj India ask come akre na family from people.
How can I say me? Kesman. Okay, say obe performer makotoko so be kai.
I me kai.
Anu share am say go we juni.
Papa, that was Stone Boy. Some Stone Boys
or Stone Boy Chrisiata.
First, you didn't see my name.
But Stone Boy there not here.
William, House of Folk News Kakra want to say 2 Congolese strikers, they are in the country. By the close of the week, this weekend, Ombabe joined the main team. Kumase.
Oh, okay.
Yes, of course. You got to know. And now, has some Kumase, and the people around the Abameka wants them. Storm. We storm here. Oh no, Tio. What do you make them wasem? And now I am has ye Galaxy Timono. Your Koboba and Assembly were Chira Maka. Your bear 5 place room. Yami had Momode private jet and as a plane, the Bobby and aside Womapa. They qualify or Nigeria via
Nedwomapa.
Nedwoma Bombaya straight to a event a child room.
Okay.
Na Omabeka place in home. But one would be first one would be a plane. I don't be called on my battery. I'm going to say charter flight, simple. Let him put it that way. It's news kakra wo no. And so far so good. And no. People large. People say about mama koso.
Fame copy person.
La procana edikai. What's la bechem Mademoiselle quoi le monde tout de quoi tele-toi monsieur Dima pété là-bas de Olympis brigadier what's bechem United Tibonini tie ya no e kono manu mana ipribokwam what's bechem United Tibonini and no Olympics ajeka po afiro musem afi we ya hasa sa ajeka po afiro musem titi boni no salajela ma asamanfu we e le Brazil was a club c'est club de 250 division pour la terre au de la soie le mont le soir pour Yaba de Ashanti Gold de Oboase waso Ashanti region say adgorom ko division 2 team se wo nyina ko meeting division 2 for no omo so mo the SP ma as good for
ala SP say
senior prefect salajela ma asamanfu ara won just say
ala job to be on senior prefect say
so say
baby o wona
watiaba no
and o mama na SP
and nti o mama no say like seniority mu no as good the senior no maba the team se nyina ja tun so be mo senior prefect SP e division 2 ho libération de bail oui abrié club du Ghana ça la travailler de la Soudan l'habiter le mois en paix qu'on connaît c'est le mois de mondial la peau c'est ça mon koji mon sur les bingos o de acham ho momra munchi
ala ya no ya en fa fo no
club du Ghana
na ye he
go from pesimi bubu o for so
sabi ala is asem na wo kan no menti ase ba koji ase
geological for jufo
omo na en fa fo
ti Ghana onum jufo
mimi mo
ko to fo Comment considérer que j'ai la bingo ça go mon ti o nyano momra o munchi abriye na de bae has storms kumase sabe ko from Tito Sport we say so club du Ghana la salle tra pour là-bas musué l'accord de ofege mwakwela mbela ti patwa wase kotoko side wase de ben kotoko side triple M
okay
mfege makwela na mbela obi anyina yie people freno wewe ina de bae obi anyina yie afi dem di twato me ka men kan biom El Hilal du Soudan salabité du club du Ghana opération Moussoué Petit Labo Outrucation Lema wasi El Hilal wa buruko to ko fin from ka kwa se wasi El Hilal o mutrimo diu do mo en grovo ni na mo ko ye den kura
ala na we dey pre-season tinyu
oh bi dey nti see na fancy my o my hene eti baby o ti no e money show na daily graphic ba chronic ba na ga 90 ba o ka wo nyamane French for na dia ba na make salajela ma asamanfu papa manuel si mam chia ko sempa
ala
ko sempa furniture works. I'm done, please.
But I'll see my record me for the Kakra 0551931931 0551931931 0548 931 no so no betimi adwene me pa cho dia ne bibia wo kasafi
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, on the phone.
Oh, yeah, Jozo.
Pabna Kotokoni, Boko Toko Abasoni, on what you mapa. Yeah, born the boy, the Baba, one can have it. You don't know any audio on your The Catholic Granny, you started a woman. I can win out upon you.
Ante men so me da so no dia de ba me pa cho tie ne bibia wo kasafi.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
The Kasafi Atima Agu.
O ben radio bi dum ne ma me why na tie me why?
No, what is it?
Muda o metio.
The seminar na Asante.
Na kaka why me so muda o za akaka dum wayi no kra na tie me wa me pa cho.
Yeah, okay. Mati. The best to say omusu ape players ni ma na asu edie. Esi yes na be ya di free court ya no mu sem. That's it.
Mati me so me da se no dia de ba. Odi ani baby a o kasafi. Ma me hwe na me nko. Na me fo bi e wo hanom na afi ye nto aso. Na mbo na ne mande da di 0548 931 0551 me hwe na me fo bi na ye nko. Baba cho odi ani baby a o kasafi.
Your call has been put on hold. Please.
Baba cho odi ani baby a o kasafi.
Champion Abu Dhabi.
Yes, sir.
where I would this year, this book PSC, econoscopy, car ties dealer, Tafuka State and the Masia, from Tamus Branch, so I think you will do her, senior mother Tusu, Company Mangala, Kwame Rooney, Women Treasure, 8 years on passports, almost so much annual bigger for an area. I think you will come anymore. Bebo has a full campaign for Nabaso, or maybe Puke Marty, your best supporters, you know. I don't be a you want some more free out to us or near starting league, you know. The best say, yeah, almost out the end. The Bebo and paying Fabaso, it will play as your matter, Yametino, because the team over here is a young paying for the Guapo. The person say, a Kuyi, the among parented that she said they were just starting league now. The Beko in my league yet me idea. Now, the Pacho, Abu Commercial 11 wonders for no, Omabe Brana.
11 wonders, there means more Techimano.
The Bacho must have one that the American was from you.
Hello, Bada Bay.
Abu. Nothing Ghana, Etuka Ghana, Omako Bo, matches near Sao Madila Bosimo.
Oh, Chama. Kotoko,
I must have one that they say you will be not this why.
Matio, Babato, dear baby, Akazafi.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Na mo te say
ya won den now so e
ya go pon do ko ye be na mi eni gi ma fam mo mai e be da kuma sa ka ta ko to ko no mo pen fasi ni tisi we ko be bia na leji zia woni ni fiase so be jina ha ko to ko en wodi ni fitana hono a wonu on pa news papa bia ma ko to ko news we be kan hono ya won kan fiase bye bye
mate me da se pa ba cho dian ni baby akasafi
fantastic job.
Yes, sir.
Wacho mo yole de me do looking tampo.
Chama mi tio.
Yo. We dem come at you some ke da masini agbo pa mo bo e mai. Na we dem say ne mo to program ma say de bia aduma mu ni saka bonus na mo ga na ko mo fa e lo bo mu. We dem tumu ja mo tire kwa mo so a o metima nya bi pa de area fu. E le ko mo timi fo na mo ya ne ko be bo e. We respond on one thing on ko mo timi fa. Ebu ama mwanga sara mwute muti omenyeska kadia bo muti eweka
mate be da se mayola no so dia de be odian ni baby a kasafi
hello champion Abu Dhabi good evening you catch me in the first money junction
yeah go
we dey da ma say we no be just for my farm here dey go out something go be kuma say some to kotoko dey you go empire you say radio dum dia be tutu yi ama league ni be ka fa ya ni
Martin so me da se pa also betimi a join 0548 931 0551 931 aboa na ne ma ko ye pa na ye ka mo ze nyamboa ya woda na jo ade baba be chin feeda no ye be transfer abomode na transfer no e cruise wo amanone no ye didi du nkomo nti be wura bibia bi na ya pomode di nkomo no nti video so ba interview so ba na hu omo mura na ebo ama na ma koye pretimi era amanti no me hwe na me to aso wa no me fo bi wa me pa cho dian ni bibia akasafi. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, open radio bi dum no na team why.
Preme shari yako nikaza fere kuma sa sabi
Baba jo mitio
abu mitio kache fere abu asamba yo kase ile ticket ne ma fo ko tiro ne sao amu ko to mystic se patas ne team si yan ko sa ne o meyo be to mo ko stadium. Secondly, me has one munina akwaba.
Yeah, se pa ba pa cho dia ni baby akasafi. Yeah, me too.
So when taxi driver so da
Solo yango.
abu da ko ko foro mo fa mo already da already nya ko ko fa so ka mo o na mi so ko mo mo fi ko ile first test la de mo si e mo ya fi ama ka already mo no ka mo dia mo fo nya ka already ka ya na test ko na ku ko ka da mo tire na fa se pa na ya da minute na ko ko ni mo dia minute e jaji ko to mo se no da bia un team de mo da se
Matemeda solo now so the out the baby ramo etimi edema it said na make no jaoda de babe chifi de be transfer no be bia be fedia e be die hon komo etimi edi amount join here live on Facebook na eba on Sompa FM fa win twa to ran fi enko ma twa twa to dian baby a kasafi
me the best for friend ns about to talk about asai pa o so na so mo ko to ko for sa de ko ya ko Africa capture mi yan ka no sa no me te phobia ababa sai ni mi pa some ba funa mi ye mo ma yin ni mi pa madam for ti so amu mo mi ti force pa some pa we ba sa ida to di bu ufu fi bo abubu no for sa no au fire my baba
Mate me da se pa baba to ran twa to dian baby akasafi hello
Abu Majoy.
Yeah, me Jozo.
Bajo is from Sojaman. We can say from Korea.
Soja meet you.
Na Abu Kotoko no Abu Koye training na ase match pa no ko boy no. Hey. Ina bi pa Sudan ko pa ye say kom kwa de mo match sa doko no ko ma be 100 e dia ko ma ko di bia mi ama krofo e dia ko ma se mo pa ko ma ko 11. Hey. Oh, Kotoko de amwe. Ade na me teki kwa so mo ko teki. After teki na ko dan Sudan.
Mate me da se pa so yeah. Yaro premium watch na ye beba na ya baba beto aso etimiera ma 7 to 7:30 am tip off beba after no full time 9:30 to 12. Na china Sompa du ase ebe de
has any Kotoko match no ma postpone.
Yeah.
And I'm saying no nyame bo has be bo friendly match ewo Baba Sports Stadium. A date to be announced later, okay?
Oh, okay.
I know.
Okay. The Yambo chance for Pediase, a crobia commercia Sante Kotokoda. Na Chinebe Rampa, Yenim painful Kuku Dam. Everybody come watchna, and the Ochna, our full time, no so no joining. Na Yen Carbonia management, and Kokamakapa. I caught Naminim DJ Tofiakwa. Na everything ra. Hey, when he just say, dear, now with you. Hey! That's how we did the answer Fia Pow. Yeah. Hey, what I hear my call. That's how we did. Oh, David. Yeah. Yeah, call. Obara Babe Transit, I'm in the matter as well.
Nanka, Obinim